If you need to make a claim for extras online, My Bupa is where you need to go. First, log in to your My Bupa account. Once you're in, select Make a Claim from the My Bupa home screen. Then choose from the drop-down menu which service you want to claim. Read the submission criteria, select the checkbox, and click Start. Next, choose a provider, either by provider number or name, or from a list of previous providers if you've claimed from them before. Then enter your treatment details. This includes selecting who the claim is for, date, and type of treatment and the cost. You can repeat this step if there are multiple claim items on your receipt. Once that's complete, confirm or add your bank details. Then review your claim information to make sure everything is correct. Read and accept the terms and conditions and click Submit. And now you're done.